the grassy hill flew a kite so bright and still, red and yellow, green and blue, dancing softly in the dew. Little Tommy held the string, laughing loud like birds that sing. Fly up higher, touch the sky, wave hello to clouds so high. A bunny hopped beside the tree, a buzzing bee flew happily. Butterflies with wings so wide joined the kite's colorful ride. Then the sunset painted gold, making all the sky unfold. Tommy smiled with pure delight as stars appeared to hug the night. So remember every day, laugh and dream and dance and play. Like a kite both brave and free, you can be what you wish to be.